Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can easily change a font in Google Chrome. So what you want to do is just go right top corner to the three dots and then just go to settings. And when you're going to be here, you just want to click on appearance, and then you're going to see it here, the customize fonts. Click on it, and then you have like font size that you can change. Then you have minimum font size, and then you have standard font that you can change, serif font, sans serif font, and fixed width font. And these are the fonts that you can actually change and manage. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah. Goodbye.